Well, the State Department of Transportation says the job is not done as travel on some state roads remains difficult and some drivers are feeling the impact. Fox 61's Jamel Johnson talked to officials and drivers in Hartford about the cleanup efforts underway.
The snow on the ground isn't going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, without the proper effort, it might get even tougher to travel. That's why crews are trying to get ahead of any more snowfall. More than 900 plow drivers and contractors hit the road during the snowstorm's peak. Josh Morgan with State DOT says even now all hands remain on deck.
That work continues with this much snow happening. We have people out today clearing down some of the snow piles, working on any residual slush. It is so cold that we're trying to get all this off the road, try to prevent any refreeze.
Most snow can be pushed to the side or moved into a pile. But some roads require a lot more effort in a specialized place to put excess accumulation.
And the overnight is large-scale snow removal operations. Think of some of those elevated highways on I-91 and I-84 in Hartford. There's no place to put that snow, so we're going to go out there with our trucks, our snow blowers, load up our vehicles, haul it off-site.
These snow piles will be moved to snow storage centers. This is land owned by the state that's far from popular driving routes,
where it's not going to impact travel in any way, and then it will melt as the weather warms up.
While DOT works on highways and state roads, some city and town roads remain hard to travel. Ashley Moore is a mother from Suffield who planned on taking her kids sledding in the aftermath.
The roads are clearer than how it is in Hartford, especially the north end. The north end, the roads are slushy, horrible. But the moment you reach over to that West Hartford line, the roads are more clearer in a way.
And with a lot of this snow sticking around, it's making mothers like Moore rethink that sledding trip.
But I'm second guessing because after pumping the gas, it is a little too cold. So we might just go to the library today because we've been stuck in the house for a couple of days.
Wow.
So.
Josh Morgan says that DOT will have about 100 snowplow drivers trying to take some of those large portions of snow to those snow storage centers. And the bulk of that work will be happening when travel slows down on the roads. In Hartford, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.